So I have my photos kind of vaguely laid out in how I want them to go. And my papers here are all going to be from Creative Memories. I dug into my stash of these a couple of weeks ago and made a bunch of layouts. So I'm just turning them to make sure I like the way that they're being turned. Now I'm playing around a little bit with papers that I'm going to use on top of that. So I do like this little kind of stitched aqua paper. And I thought that was a nice contrast to the big kind of polka dotted paper there. So I'll just match those up from side to side. I don't always do that. Make the match directly from side to side with how the papers are organized. But I will do that in this case. And that other side is cute too with a little polka dot. But I have an opportunity to use that yet, just because I'm only using half of each. And I want them to kind of match up from side to side. So that's one of the things I was checking. Okay, so I have that down. Now I do have one 4x4 photo here because I think I took it in a square to post Instagram because it was building this calyx unit, and I posted a picture of it looked like when it wasn't constructed, and then after I finished it, and it took me like about 2 hours to do it on my own, so I didn't think that was too bad. And then pictures of my bathroom, my closet, I had to go down in the midst of unpacking, I ran down and got the extra calyx unit because I had all these scrapbook albums to go on it. You can see those are my scrapbook albums there. And I have cookbooks and my December dailies above that and some other albums. Now I did want to put another type of pattern paper behind this photo. That for me is the feature photo. That's my living room, and I've totally changed the colors there. The furniture there was kind of a green color, and I've actually, for now, just because I'm not where I probably will permanently be, I'm still thinking about buying my own place, just kind of waiting for the housing market to settle down a little bit. So I would probably buy new furniture once I get there, but right now I really took it and I made it something I really loved. I bought some slipcovers in navy, and then bought aqua pillows and aqua draperies. I love aqua. It's my favorite color. And then combined with blue, I really, really love it. So that made me really happy. And I really wanted to feature that. I did find this LE Studio journaling card in a nice blue. And I was thinking about tucking it under. And then I decided just to float it. Kind of like it's hanging on the wall there. Normally I tuck them next to them, but I don't know. It felt like it was an ear sticking out for some reason. All right, I do have those LE Studio puffy stickers there. They're everyday labels. And I will add them in. I'm going to take a minute to think about some other things like titles and other types of embellishments I could use. So this is the Vicky Boutin #sticker book, and I'm just pulling out some stickers that I think would work. So aqua and navy both. And just kind of looking. There's a great arrow page. I forget those arrows are there. And although the other day I was trying to remember what book they were in. That is a problem when you have so many sticker books. All right, so there we go. So I've got all those up there to kind of remind me of what's available to embellish. And the stickers are thin, so you have to be careful. So now I'm thinking about putting a border on here. I thought about that polka dot washi tape that I really like. And then I found this one from K & Company and really liked it. It's a little bit thinner. It's a little shiny and fun. So I thought that would be a good one to use here. The whole reason I put a picture up of my stove, by the way, is not because of the stove, but that carving board behind was made by my dad when he was in high school. It used to hang behind my grandmother's stove. And then when she passed away, I actually took it, and it is always hung above my stove in any place that I've lived. So, a little family tradition. So I took that photo specifically to send to my mom, my brother, and my sister, because they would appreciate that. That would be a good memory for them, or was a good memory for them. And then my rock and spice cabinet, that thing I love, feels so organized. All right, so back to the layout after I'm rambling. I'm going to use this chipboard alphabet, which is from the Maggie Holmes Carousel collection, and it is called Maggie. So I love this. It's an ombre, but I'm having to MacGyver the M from a W and the N from a U, and that means that it's not, those letters cannot fade from the white at the top to aqua at the bottom because I have to flip them over. So I kind of played around and I turned some of the other letters the other way too, that I didn't need to do that, like either the O or the zero. The zero in 2021 is changed, and I just added that 2021 because I needed to take up some more space there. And then it also helps me use up some of the numbers, which I still very, very rarely use. Thinking about doing arrow there. What's happening is I'm not loving the fact that it is it's justified to the right there, and there's a lot of space there, so I'm not sure that I love that. And I will give you a clue. I don't think I do this until after I'm done, but I do move it to the center there. Still justified. Still bothers me a little bit, but not enough to change anything about it. All right, so I just added in some more labels. That blue label is again from the LA Studio label stickers, and then the that little piece that says "Life is Good," that little circle, is from the Vicky Booten hashtag sticker book. That is one is as well. So there too, the LA Studio sticker sheet and then the Vicky Booten hashtag sticker book. Here's where the Vicky Booten hashtag sticker book is coming in now. I'm adding in the Hello Happiness puffy sticker from the Everyday Labels by LA Studio. And again, these are old. I think they're like, I looked up for another layout like 2014. So I need to use those up. Then I'm adding in these stickers that I really love from Mrs. Sparkle, which is Joann's. That's where those little aqua hearts are from. All right, you guys, there's a still shot and a couple of detail shots. I will be back with another layout about soon. Oh, forgot to tell you, the pearls are from Doodlebug. They're the mini pearls in the blue jean assortment. All right, guys, hope you're all well.